Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. You have to start by open the live application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see them at the device list. Tap on it. And right here, I need to scroll down just a bit. Right here we have game mode. To enable it, tap on it and click at the slider near to on/off status. To disable it, you need to also tap at this slider if the slider have colorful background. Also, you can enable auto game mode, and it's a good one. Your game mode will turn off once you enter a game. I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time. This why auto game mode is a good one, because with this mode you may have connection instability. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!